This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side curtain airbags, and roof rails. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering Tommy Vaughn Ford for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 1201 North Shepherd Drive in Houston.